What's the first thing customers notice when unboxing a new mattress? Too often, it's the sharp chemical smell of off-gassing, the release of volatile organic compounds trapped during roll packaging. These odors from materials like foam and adhesives create a bad first impression, delay mattress use for 48 hours, and may cause headaches or irritation, leading to complaints, negative reviews, and costly returns for brands. Introducing Purifair, the innovative solution revolutionizing the mattress unboxing experience. Using advanced cucurbituril technology, Purifair captures VOCs at the source. Unlike sprays that mask odors, it works consistently to ensure a fresher and healthier unboxing experience. Clinically tested and proven in simulated bedroom conditions, Purifair significantly reduces odors. In fact, 80% of the panel said they would sleep on their new mattress after just 2 hours. It's non-toxic, safe, and skin-friendly. Purifair enhances customer satisfaction, reduces returns, and positions your brand as the preferred choice in the market. Transform mattress unboxing with freshness thanks to Purifair.